Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me Valeria, I'm here in Dubai and we are starting my new vlog.
3, 2, 1, let's go! In this vlog you will not see This vlog was super improvised and honestly we had so much fun filming it. A lot of hilarious moments ended up behind the scenes. For now, let's dive into the main adventure.
Not easy to be a vlogger, yeah? Rose. It looks like it's easy, yes, Rose? No, thank you. Now I'm sitting in the car because we have July today and it's incredibly hot and you just stay in the car or in the mall. Anyway, today with me my friend Rose. Rose, say hi to my subscribers. Yeah.
Hi there.
Rose is finally here and I catch up her between her flights. She is working like a cabin crew and between her yoga teaching. Yeah, namaste. So we was thinking all the day what to show you guys. Rosa was telling me let's go in Marina Mall or where else?
Somewhere indoors because it's a heat, like
incredibly hot. Yeah, it's just July, but we already feel it's August. We're afraid of August. So we decided, until we decided where to go, it's already golden hour. I will show you now my favorite route. We'll go Marina, GBR and Bluewaters, and we're gonna take there some cup of tea or glass of wine in my favorite restaurant.
I like the second option better.
In this way we are going to Alici.
Some aperol.
So we are going to Alici in this case, most probably. Yeah, so let's take you guys with us and
wish us good luck because we look beautiful.
Yeah, but remember us beautiful.
See ya.
Yeah. Rosa, you want to say that Dubai Marina is so beautiful that you also behave like a tourist, yes?
Yeah, I feel like I'm a tourist in my own city. I've been living in Dubai like 9 years now. Yeah, it's gonna be 9 years in November. Can you imagine?
I'm 13 here. I'm 13. 10 years here, like one year.
It's one of the cities where you don't feel the time. It just like it flies by just like that. Woo, 360.
Yeah, let's make better. This is Marina Promenade. So everything, this bank and this bank, this is Marina. The yellow buildings, it's gonna be already GBR. And after GBR, we will show you, we'll cross the bridge and we will come to Bluewaters. This is, even now it's hot, but on the Sunset Tower, it's very good feeling. It's windy, so it's still, you still can do it. Now already went out from Dubai Marina. Now we are on where is this yellow buildings. This is GBR. We are going forward. There is the wheel, Eye of Dubai, and there's gonna be Bluewaters there, and there's gonna be now incredible golden hour. Now let's enjoy it together. So guys, now we are staying in GBR. This is my favorite GBR promenade, incredible park. Now we're gonna go through the bridge on the left from here. So when you come here is Blah Blah Club and it calls Pavilion. From here on the left near the beach, you will see the bridge and you will just have a walk until the Bluewaters. So guys, look, we're gonna go here and then we're gonna go left and go through the bridge. Guys, I wanna give you my personal recommendation for gourmands who like to have good food with nice glass of wine. Here you can see Italy. In Italy, Italy is Italian brand, you know, it's franchising from Italy, so you can have good food there and have your wine, because not in all the places you can find alcohol. Mostly of them, they don't have license, but Italy has it, so you can find it there. The golden hour is incredible, so this is the way we're gonna go there, through this bridge, and we're gonna stuck there in Alice. I'm in love with Alice, Italian restaurant. This is my beloved GBR. I was living here before. Before I was staying a few years on GBR in these yellow buildings. Just the issue of GBR, it's usually full of traffic, so it's kind of annoying. And this Lamborghini and Ferrari, which every time usually rented, because who is making this noise, you know, it's not their car, it's rented car. So it's very noisy, full of traffic, tourists, drunk people, but still it's incredible because the view is my place of power. Me personally, I love to use this route at night when I cannot sleep and I have my walk, because you know Dubai is a city which never sleeps. Especially now it's very hot daytime, so who can allow for themselves, they sleep in daytime, and we don't sleep at night, because at night at least you can go out and enjoy. Dear Rose, I want to ask you something about your profession. It's very interesting, your profession. And a lot of girls, especially in Dubai, they dream to be cabin crew.
Right.
So, what can you tell about your work? How do you like it? How you tell us something?
Well, I guess whatever happens for a reason. I've been wanting to become a cabin crew, especially for Emirates, for many years. When I moved to Dubai, it was 2021, I guess, and I've tried like numerous times to apply to become a cabin crew with Emirates, but it didn't happen, and I'm so glad it didn't, because now I work for Flydubai, which I admire, love, and I am happy at the moment. I can say that I love my job. I've been flying as a cabin crew for 3 years now. Our base is in Dubai. I am happy with my job, although it has its own negative sides, which is you're always sleep deprived, you lack energy sometimes when you have a night flights, or you have to work during this heat, and you actually have no choice but to report to work at, I don't know, like at 12 noon when it's like 40 or 50 degrees outside. Yeah, that's the most challenging parts.
What is challenges in summer?
In summer? Yeah, it's boarding the aircraft. Sometimes we get to fly with the old aircrafts, which we have not many, but a couple still in the company fleet. Challenges is the weather. Different timings when you do layovers, especially to, I don't know, to Malaysia. Maybe I think it's like 4 hours difference in Dubai.
No, wait, it's July, it's only 36 degrees was daytime, and I will show you now my Rosa, please show. Photo. Completely soaked. You can squeeze it now. Yeah, she will suffer for you. You see what a beauty. What a beauty here. Have a question for you. So we have a lot of ladies here who want to be a cabin crew. So what can you tell to aspiring cabin crews? Maybe you have some suggestions, some advices, or some inspiring stories from your life that now you are a cabin crew, and maybe they're still thinking, should we be or should we not? Any advices, please?
Yeah, with no hesitation, I would say go for it. It's a dream job. Yes, in a sense. It has pros and cons, obviously, but if you've been thinking about traveling the world, being independent, getting to know people, to know the psychology of people, being a customer service, or like being a cabin crew is being everything in one person, in one face. So I would suggest you strongly to go for it. We live in Middle East, so I'm going to talk for Middle East. There are plenty of nice, decent companies. So as I already mentioned, and I work for Flydubai, and it's one of the best because I have friends in a different airlines, in Qatar Airways, in Etihad, and Emirates, and Flydubai, of course. I would tell that I guess 70 to 80% of people working for Flydubai, they are super duper happy. It feels like I'm promoting Flydubai. We are hiring.
Usually it's a hiring month.
You just always check the website, or you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to be updating on my stories.
Your Instagram and all information about Rose I will leave below the video.
Advice for the aspiring cabin crew would be you must know English. If you've got time, you're still in the university, or you just have time to go for courses, improve your English. It's going to increase your it's going to increase your chances to land a job. Second thing, it's going to be maintaining a good physical health. This is the most important as well. And guess what? You don't need any previous experience. And airlines take all the expenses. They will give you courses. You just must be 21 years old, able to reach 212 centimeters reach. Is it? You may be 160 or 164 or 158, but maybe you have a long arms and you're able to reach 212. So you're in.
No. Maybe have something special, some special rising.
Haram. If you didn't pass from the first time, if you didn't pass from the second time, from the fourth time, keep going, keep trying.
How many times?
Oh my God!
How many times we can try?
Emirates. I've tried 12 plus times.
You tried?
Yes,
Oh.
I did,
Ooh.
and I've been successful twice. Last time I've been called and successful was the interview, was the final interview. It was already when I started flying with Flydubai, but I was so happy with the company which I'm currently flying with. I'm so happy with the management. I love our destinations, that I get to rest properly, I get to travel. I love that we are able to swap our flights, and I might get a week of days off. Can you imagine where else? Like, which job offers you this luxury of, I don't know, like a week off? Or another favorite thing about my job is that you can be off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you can be doing like crazy activities, especially during the winter. Like Dubai offers plenty of cool activities to do, and yeah, you don't wait for weekends, Saturday or Sunday. You live your best life. Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking now. You will accept it to cabin crew, no? But all the criteria you told, it will be to improve you, to be beneficial in life overall. It's very good criteria
Absolutely.
to have. And how many languages you know? This many times you are a new person. Yeah, so everything is good actually. This is what we can do daily, to study more languages, to improve our body, healthy mind, everything.
And a
this we
great
try-
attitude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think it's not easy when especially you have some rude customers, and on one board and you need to hold them.
I think this is my
It's challenge.
top challenge. Like, working with people is not easy. Don't think that, oh my God, like you become a cabin crew, you'll be traveling the world and like waking up in a different luxury hotels.
With the jet lag.
Sometimes with the jet lag, but sometimes you gotta do like Kabul turnaround, or like, I don't know, Lahore turnaround at 2 in the morning, and then like like at the time when everybody is sleeping, you are awake and then you're serving passengers up in the air, and then like you're questioning yourself, like, what am I doing here? You know what? Like, and sometimes when the flights get delayed, or you get a rude customer, and you can understand them too. Like, traveling is super stressful, especially if it's a long haul flight or they have a connecting flight. I came to understand after some time, I stopped being reactive or taking anything personal in my life at work, because I could understand that this is really challenging. Yeah, like it's imagine yourself in a cubicle for, I don't know, 8 hours straight, or sometimes 14 hours straight, and yeah, you gotta be patient with people. That's what definitely my cabin crew role job taught me. My advice is just go for it. Do not doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. You will never know until you try yourself. So best of luck to you, and I hope I'll see you in the skies.
of Dubai is already working. So guys, you can try new experience in Dubai. Hello ma'am, you're so beautiful. Can I know your number please? Can I get your number? Actually you are very beautiful and stunning here in front of Eye of Dubai. So if I could be a man, really Rosie, if I could be a man, how to
Instagram
show me your Instagram?
and like.
Show your Instagram. Ooh, Rosa DXB. Try to get her attention. Good luck. So guys, where we gonna go now? My one of favorite Italian restaurant here, Alici. We're going to Alici. Let's have some good wine. In vino veritas. So guys, I think we deserve a good treat, like a glass of wine and Bellini. Thank you so much for being today with us and having time with us in our vlog. We hope you was enjoying it. So don't forget to put your thumbs up. You can leave your comments with the questions, what you want me to show you more about Dubai. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from us in Dubai. All the best. Bye bye.
Till next time. Cheers.
Что-нибудь сказать. Here with the Queen of Shamaha. No Queen of Shamaha. Cheers.